Okay, well, we're nearly there now. This last section here has been very challenging indeed. I've had to tease all this lead back and move all these around. I've got it all in now. Like I say, it was a bit of a struggle. I had to cut one tiny little piece here as a reduced size, and now I'm looking at the last piece of going is this. Now, it just so happens that the existing piece of glass is it's just too big because things have imperceptibly moved around a little bit, and so now this space here is not big enough to take the original piece of glass. So I've cut another bit, which is a tiny bit smaller, by, just by a couple of millimetres here and there. But that's going to go in now. So that's my next job, to just bed this in, tease a bit more lead out in this corner, I think, and then bed it in with the cement, press it all down, and then put all the lead back, and then do a bit of soldering and stuff and general tidying. So it's been a long haul, but I think we're just about there now. So anyway, I'll update you in a bit sooner, a bit later rather. All right, cheerio.